There are so many awesome things in this box. I can't wait for you to see. Hey guys, it's Jen of All Trades. Welcome back to my channel. Another awesome unboxing video by me. Alright, today we're doing another unboxing. I cannot believe I have gotten all of my boxes like in the same week. This is like crazy. I actually got my Allure box in the beginning, mid of the month. Like, wow, something is going on in the air for this month because I'm pretty stoked about it. But this is the April Allure box, so let's find out what is in here. Same thing with my Boxycharm. I did not look at any sneak peeks, so I don't know. I didn't look at anything this month. I really have no clue what is going to be in this box. So opening it up, this is what it looks like right here. And if you are not familiar with Allure, it is a $15 a month box, but I believe they give you the first month is only $10 if you want to kind of try it out. You can cancel at any time. And if you're interested in signing up, I do have a referral link listed below, so you can check it out there. And you do get mostly full-size products. I think you can get some sample sizes, but mostly full size, about 5 to 6 full-size products. But Allure Beauty Box, she kind of looks like Kim Kardashian, maybe, I don't know. Okay, and then inside of here, it tells you all of your products along with the retail prices, but I'm not gonna look at that just yet. So this says the May theme. Oh, they do this thing where they give you a kind of sneak peek of what's coming in the next month's box. So this is for the May beauty. The May theme for beauty is going to be for next month is Beauty Innovation 7 Game Changers. Does that mean we're getting 7 things next month? What? We're giving you an exclusive sneak peek at all of our favorite brands coming up in May. So scratch to reveal. Let's scratch that real quick and see what May holds for us. All right, it looks like May is going to be a special month for Allure. So it's showing a Ipsy lip product. You have a moisturizing cream. You have a radiance cream and mask. This is a brightening powder. You have another thing which could be a liquid eyeshadow or it could be a liquid lip. And this is anti-frizz sheets, and then this is some kind of, self-tan? It's a self-tanner? What? Okay, it says over $60 value, so that is exciting. So if you guys have not already signed up, this might be a good month to try it out. That's pretty cool. Alright, so they did start this thing a few months ago. They started putting all of their products in these bags. I'm not a big fan of these bags. They're just, I don't know what to do with them, but this is a clear one, which is kind of cool. Each month is a different color. So to open this up, let's see what we have. Alright, so we do have, alright, first thing on top is Anasazi Beverly Hills, which I do not have anything from them. Like, that's a little crazy, but I don't. This is a liquid lipstick, so let's see what color. It says Pure Hollywood, which is there. It's like a pink color, so let's open this up. Wow, that's like a nudie pink. That's so pretty. Okay. And let's look in here. This liquid lipstick in Pure Hollywood retails for $20. It's a pale mauve, and then she says that she layers it over a lip pencil, like a reddish brown lip pencil. So that's a good idea to kind of layer it with something else. But let's go ahead and swatch. You know what? I'll layer it over this, because why not? Alright, so I will say the formula is very thick. As you can see, it literally just covered up basically that entire color that I already had on. I had Ipsy actually, but yeah, that it covered it up and it created a really pretty pink color. It dried very quickly to the point where it was almost difficult to really get it on good because it dried so quickly. It was sticky at first, and it dried. It's very dry. It's very dry. So definitely very matte and dry. So very thick, and it dries quick and dries dry, if that makes sense. They don't feel moisturized at all. So not sure how I feel about that. The color's great, but it doesn't feel moisturizing or anything like that at all. It's a very dry feeling on my lips right now, so not sure how I feel about that one. But the next thing is the Briogeo Farewell Frizz Blow Dry Perfection and Heat Protectant Cream. So that is cool. Let's see what this smells like. It does have the sealer on it. Let's just do a little test. That smells so good. A lot of their products, I have gotten some of their products in the past, and they all have this really good smell. I am a fan of perfumed type stuff. So that's, I don't know why I'm putting it on my hand. That's for my hair. Duh. Here, we'll do that. That smells so good. Let's see where this is in here. Okay. This retails for $24. So yeah, this is like a sample. And it just, yeah, it's just a heat protectant, a pretty floral fragrance. There you go. It's a florally fragrance, light cream. So that's really cool. I really smell it now. That smells really good. Also, if you do like my makeup look, I did just film a tutorial on it. So if you are interested in seeing that, I will be uploading that next. So this will be my next video, and then, and then, because I really wanted to get the Allure unboxing up and just good and out there so you could see it. And then I'll show you the makeup look next. So today is probably Tuesday for you guys, and then Thursday will be the makeup tutorial look. So we'll go like that. But wow, there's a good amount of things. Okay, all right. Okay, this is Natasha Denona eyeshadow. And let's see, because I don't see what color it is. So let's see what color we got. All right, so that's beautiful. It's a bronzy kind of color. Really pretty gold bronzy kind of color. And I am not going to swatch this because I will, it's something that I can give away. I have a lot of palettes with that same kind of color in there, so I will not be swatching that, but I can tell you the retail price of it if you are interested. The retail price of this is $27. Wow, $27. Goodness, for a single eyeshadow. But yeah, so I will keep this for my upcoming giveaway, which you guys can stay tuned for if you're interested in. We'll be having that once I hit 2,000 subscribers in a few months. We'll see, hopefully. All right, we got a few more things. We got 3 more things. So there, it looks like there's 6 things this month. So this is a Luxie small tapered blending brush. Lovely. So this is, let's put that back in there. All right. Luxie small tapering brush, Luxie number 231. And this retails for $12, not 21, $12. So this retails for $12. Again, I got it upside down. I will probably be putting this in a giveaway because I just got a whole pack of Luxie brushes. So you guys are going to be getting all kinds of stuff in this giveaway. And it is getting to the point where I have so much stuff that by the time I do hit 2,000, it's going to end up being multiple winners. So that's going to be kind of cool. All right, the next thing I have is Laura Geller. Incredible waterproof gel eyeliner. Deep purple. It's purple. I thought it was blue because from the color it kind of looks like a navy blue. It's a purple eyeshadow. What the crap is wrong with me? A purple eyeliner. How awesome is that? You see that I like color, like Oh, that's so freaking awesome. All right, so real quick, this retails for $22. That is, oh my gosh. Okay, let's see what it looks. It's hard because I'm left-handed. I'm gonna try this with my right hand so you can actually see the swatch. Now, it is a very deep dark purple. It's not a real bright purple. It is dark, so it's kind of cool because I mean, I normally wear black. It's on the rare occasion, but I will definitely be creating a look with that. So this is what it looks like. It's a real dark purple. But I think that will go really good with pretty much any eye look if you want to do that. All right, the very last thing we have in here is, oh, there's two of them. So it comes in this little pouchy thing, a pouchy thing. And there is two organic tan infused cloth, up to 10 days from one application. Okay. So it's like a self-tanner cloth. I'm not sure about that. I don't know, like you just wipe it on, like, I don't know about that. All right, let's see. So it's $25 for a pack of 8 of them. So I guess this would be, I mean, 2 of them is what, $2? No, what the crap? I don't know. I'm not doing math right now. It's not my strong suit, can you tell? Alrighty. So this, yeah, I got 2 of them. Let's see what this says. It says, I was skeptical at first. That's me. I never used a self-tanner in cloth form, but the pocket-sized rayon squares are infused with self-tanner that it's actually mess-free. 2 were enough to easily cover my entire body. And 4 hours later, I had a natural looking tan and smelling. So it smells. Does that mean it takes 4 hours to set? All right, you know, I kind of want to try it now, and I kind of want to make a whole video on just trying a self-tanner and see how this works. Very interesting. So yeah, just stay tuned. I think that's a whole nother video idea. We're gonna try out some self-tanners, so this can be in that video. But that's interesting. So I guess you do need 2 of them if you want to cover your entire body in self-tanner. So that will be an interesting thing to try. There you go. I am most excited about this purple eyeliner. But to recap real quick, you got the Anasazi liquid lip in the color Pure Hollywood. You have the Laura Geller deep purple eyeliner. You have the bronzy colored eyeshadow single, Farewell Frizz and Blow Dry Heat Protectant Cream, and the brush and the self-tanner. So that is everything that we got in our Allure box for April. That is very cool. I don't know, all these boxes have really been stepping up their game because I have been so satisfied and happy with everything I get in here. So that's awesome. And each month you are acquiring more things for the giveaway. So yeah. But if you do like it, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to check out the referral link down below. If you like more unboxings, I just did my Ipsy Glam Plus this month and my Boxycharm as well. I also have a Target unboxing coming up in the future and my makeup tutorial, which will be next on Thursday. So lots of stuff to look at. So if you're not already, make sure you subscribe for more awesome videos, and I will see you on my next one. Okay, bye.